Pottinger's class. 4.3, round and estimate with decimals. Can you round and estimate with decimals?
Yes.
We can do that? Question, is this a whole number?
No.
Is this a whole number?
No.
Is this a whole number?
Yes.
So whole numbers do not have decimal and fraction parts, right?
Yes.
And we know what rounding is to change to a nearby number, yeah?
Yeah.
Estimating. There are three things we use when estimating. The first thing is, the second thing we could use is, and then we always use our, and we estimate to see if answers are what? We don't want to have a Maserati. All right, rounding steps. We cool with rounding steps? I'm not even going to go through them because we've been doing them all year, right? If I ask you to round to the nearest whole number, you are really rounding to what place value? Like every single time? Like every single time?
No.
Olive, I should be up here? Like every single time?
No.
No? I think so. If we round to the nearest whole number, you're always going to be rounding to the, everybody? Ones place. This video is already going a little bit longer. I need all eyes up here. So we're always rounding to the ones place. We said that this estimate, 16 and 31 hundredths minus 9 and 95 hundredths, was 6. Because 16 and 31 hundredths is about what? What does this squiggly equal sign mean? What's it mean? Close to or about. I need everyone answering me though here. So 16 and 31 hundredths is about 16. What is 9 and 95 hundredths about?
10.
So what's the difference between 16 and 10?
6.
6. Remember, we're trying to find the difference. Subtracting, right? This one. Up here, you can see we rounded to the nearest whole number, right? This one, we didn't round to the nearest whole number because both whole numbers were 6. So we actually rounded to the nearest.
10.
Say again?
10.
Could you do this in your brain? Could you think in your brain 6 and 41 hundredths is about 6 and 4 tenths?
Yes.
6 and 19 hundredths is about 6 and 2 tenths? And we know the 6's cancel each other out, yeah? So what's the difference between 4 and 2?
2.
What's the difference between 4 and 2?
2.
2 or 2 tenths, right? Can everybody answer my questions when I ask them here? Because you're not. Again, the video is, you guys are not doing great with videos. Getting too long. Okay, Autumn bought a shirt. She paid $23.14, yeah?
Yeah.
She had $50 in her pocket, so she paid the $50 bill. So Autumn's standing behind the counter. How much money should she expect back?
27, 25, or $30.
One of you said, or one group said, well, about $27. Another group said, well, about $25. Another group said about $30. Are all of those reasonable estimates?
Yes.
So in the end, she should expect right around this amount of money, and she would do that so she knows about how much money she should be getting back, yes? We cool?